Aloha mai kākou, it's Kumumai coming to you from Kahale Hoaka on the island of Molokai. Our Mana'o Monday ʻōlelo no ʻeau is Hahai kaʻua I ka ululāʻau. Let's say it all together from the top. Oia. Hahai kaʻua I ka ululāʻau. Oia, what that translates to is the rain follows after the forest. In Hawaii, our island environments and ecosystems are so precious, and we rely completely on the health of our islands in our watersheds. Our watersheds being our native Hawaiian upland forest, because as we know, the weather comes usually from the trade winds. The northeast brings the koʻolāʻau winds, and it usually gets trapped in those koʻolāʻau mountains. The clouds surround the forest, and it rains. And once the rainforest becomes healthy, it trickles through and it feeds into our aquifer, our rivers, our streams, our springs. So let's say it from the beginning. Oia, hahai kaʻua I ka ululāʻau. Maikaʻi loa. Our ha'awina ʻōlelo Hawaii for today is how to say you're welcome. When someone says thank you, you respond you're welcome. Repeat after me. He mea iki. He mea iki means it's just a little thing. The next way you can say you're welcome is a little bit more fancy way. It's my favorite way. Na'u ka hauʻoli. Let's do it all together one more time. Na'u ka hauʻoli. And that means it was for me that it brought happiness. Another way of saying it was my pleasure to do that for you. And the most common way that most people say is ʻAʻole pilikia. ʻAʻole meaning no, pilikia, problem. But I don't really like to use that one so much because it implies that there was a problem to begin with. But those are the 3 different ways to say you're welcome. I'm going to do them real quick all together. He mea iki. Na'u ka hauʻoli. ʻAʻole pilikia. Maikaʻi. Malama pono a hui hou.